Hi guys, this is from the Manipur top channel. The admission for the undergraduate and a postgraduate, the admission for the DU uh, application process to begin from 15 April this year, and the last date to apply up to 7 May. It is confirmation. And who want to apply to the Delhi University for 2019 to 20 section will be applicable for undergraduate, postgraduate, and MPhil and PhD course can apply. It will be start from April date 15 to up to May date 7. And if you know more information, please subscribe the channel, share the video, and let me scroll down. And what are the eligibility criteria in order to apply for this course? Let me show you here. And here this is for the UG course for the undergraduate. ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯅꯕ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯦ. See, online registration start from April date 15, 2019 for the undergraduate course who want to apply for the DU college, and the receipt of registration form in registration center on up date 7 May, and the notification by various college regarding admission first week of June, and a payment of fee and admission process last week of June, and the last date to get admission second week of August 2019. These are the very important dates is coming out. And this is for the PG, for the post-graduation course. And here the same date it will be starting for the registration from date 15th April, and the last date of registration on date 7 May. Date of PG exam second week of July. Answer key publication second week of July. Result announcement first week of July, and a commencement of interview last week of August. These are the. And now see here, this is for DU eligibility criteria for entrance exam for UG and PG course is given below. You can check here. This is for the UG course, for the undergraduate course. Here for the BA honors or business economics or BBA or FIA. To make sure, candidates should have passed or appearing to have examination by securing 60% in 4 paper, including English, mathematics, and other 2 subjects from the list of elective subjects as approved by the University of Delhi, and 50% for SC, ST, CW, and PWD categories. And they are given all the information here. And the candidate who are given for improvement, they are not eligible to apply for this course. All right. And for the BA Techs, information technology and mathematical innovation, 10+2 examination with mathematics and minimum 60% in 4 subjects, including mathematics, and for the OBC 54%, and for the 57% for the PWD, CW categories, and passing mark for SC and ST. And for the BA honors in humanities and social science. And here this is for the humanities and social science given here. Have to appear in the 10+2. And this is for the elementary education for PLD and TFAS, minimum 50% aggregate marks. We have to pass in the TF exam. And for physical education, health education and sport for BA Science, to a pass and with at least 45% aggregate mark. And for the BA Honors, for the multimedia and mass communication, to a pass with aggregate 75% for best 4 including English for general category. And this course is only for women candidate. And this is for the PG, for the course for post graduation course eligibility criteria here. For the EMT microwave or the electronics, given here 60% minimum you have to score in your undergraduate. You have to secure at least 60% mark. And for the EMS science, physics 60%. And who want to apply for the M course should be passed from the recognized institution, BA Com, BA Honors, Economics, or BA Com, or BBS, BBA. They're given all the information here. And for MA Political Science, have to pass for BA degree with 50% mark or any other graduate degree. And for Science, Commerce, and Engineering with 60% mark from the recognized university. For the LLM, a 3-year, 5-year LLB degree with 50% mark and 45% mark for the OBC, SC, ST category candidate. And who want to apply for this course, yes, can apply. There is no minimum age bar is there. And the reservation categories criteria is here given here. For the SC, 15 reservation is given here. For the SC, they are given here 15% reservation, and for ST 7% reservation. For the OBC 27% reservation. For PWD 3%, 40% for physical disabilities, and armed force 5%. Foreign student 5%, sports and ECA quota 5% is given here. And documents required on admission here, then passing certificate and mark sheet, and to a class mark sheet, transfer certificate and migration certificate, and character certificate and category certificate, and 2 passport size and self-attested photograph. And the registration fee also mentioned here. Registration fee for general and OBC candidates should have to pay 500 for each per course, and for the SC, ST, PWD candidate the fee will be of rupees 250 per course. So guys, if you have any doubt, any question, you can comment down on the comment box, and let me help you out for you to make sure. Please like the video and share the video, okay? And bye for now. Bye bye.